Warm greetings to all. In this session, we will study about combinational logic circuits. Logic circuits are of two types, combinational and sequential. Combinational logic circuit consists of only logic gates and its outputs depends on present input. These circuits have no memory element. Sequential circuits are those depend on present as well as past inputs to generate any output. That means sequential circuit use memory element to store the value of previous output. This slide gives the characteristics of the combinational circuits. The block diagram of the combinational circuit is shown in this slide. It can have n number of inputs and m number of outputs. Let us study about the half adder. This is one of the combinational circuit. This is useful when one want to add one bit of numbers. Logic circuits have two inputs and two outputs. The circuit is designed to add two single bit binary number A and B. This circuit has two outputs, carry and sum. Let us refer to the classic truth table. Two variables A and B are of 1 bit each. Here, sum indicates the value obtained upon addition and carry indicates whether there has been a carry. Let's add them. 0 plus 0 is 0 with of course no carry. 0 plus 1 is 1 with no carry. 1 plus 0 is 1 again with no carry. Next is 1 plus 1. As we know in binary system, the sum is 0 and there is a carry of 1. A half adder is built using just two gates, an AND gate to give us the carry term and XOR gate to give the sum term. Half adder circuit diagram is shown in this slide. The equivalent Boolean equation are sum is equivalent to A exclusive or B and carry is equivalent to AB. In the previous slide, we have discussed about the half adder circuit. This slide will be about full adder circuit. One of the main drawbacks of half adder is its inability to add carry from the previous addition to the next bits. This is taken care using the full adder circuit. The full adder circuit consists of 3 input bits and 2 output bits. The 3 inputs to the full adder are A, B and C in, where A and B are the bits to be added and C in is the previous carry bit. The outputs are S and C0, where S is the sum bit and C0 is the carry bit generated for this sum. The truth table for the full adder is also shown here. We can see that the output of sum is high whenever there are odd number of I inputs and C0 bit is high, and if at least 2 or more than 2 inputs are high. A full adder is built using AND or exclusive OR gates. Full adder circuits are extensively used to perform addition on binary numbers. As seen here, the inputs A, B and C in are connected to 3 input XOR gate whose output is S bit. AB, AC in and BC in are connected separately to 3 AND gates and the output of these gates is connected to OR gate whose output is corresponds to C0. In this manner, one can build a full adder using basic gates. Thank you.